For this station leaders, we're going to look at the prefix im and in. Remember, a prefix is added to the beginning of a root word to change its meaning. Both prefixes im and in mean not, such as non, dis, ill, or are. For example, unoriginal, non-dairy, or dislike. Adding im or in does not change the part of speech of the word, but it does change its meaning. So adding im to possible, what is the new word and what does it mean now? So you're correct, it would be impossible, and it means that it's not likely to happen. So I could use the sentence, it is impossible to fit the new table in the back of the small car. We could also substitute the word impossible for it is not possible to fit the new table in the back of our small car. If I add in to correct, what is the new word and what does it mean now? So it is incorrect to use the word ain't. That means it is not correct to use the word ain't. So correct meaning true or inaccurate. It is not accurate or not correct to use the word ain't. All right, let's take a look at a few more examples. So in this chart, we see the English word first, then we see the meaning, then we see the affixed word, meaning with the im or in with the prefix. We look at the meaning again, and then we see it in a sentence. So our first word is perfect, which is an adjective meaning having no mistakes or flaws. The affixed word is imperfect. It remains an adjective, but this time it says having mistakes or flaws, not perfect. So it's the opposite. The sentence is, the imperfect pot had a chip in the paint and one side was shorter than the other. So it's saying that it is not perfect. The second word is practical. It's an adjective meaning easy and reasonable to do or use. Impractical is the affixed word, which changes the meaning to not easy or reasonable to do or use, and it's not practical. The sentence is, my mom said it was impractical to wear sandals for walking at the zoo. So it wasn't reasonable or wouldn't be easy to wear sandals at the zoo. The next word is patient. It's an adjective, able to be calm while waiting. Impatient would be the affixed word. It remains an adjective, but this time it means not able to be calm while waiting, not patient. We waited for the doctor so long that my little sister got impatient. Okay, no longer having patience while waiting. Polite is the next word. It's an adjective. It means having or showing good manners or respect for others. Impolite would be the affix word. This time it's still an adjective, but it means not having or showing good manners or respect for others, not polite. The boys were impolite when they talked during the movie. They were not respectful to the others. The next word is convenient. It is also an adjective. It means allowing you to do something easy or without much trouble. Inconvenient is an adjective, but this time it means not allowing you to do something easily or without much trouble. It's not convenient. The new bus stop was inconvenient for kids who lived up the hill. So it wasn't convenient to kids at the top of the hill. The next word is complete. Again, it's an adjective. It means having all necessary parts, not having anything missing. Incomplete is still an adjective, but this time it means not having all the necessary parts. It's not complete. My homework was incomplete because I didn't finish it before I got sick. So it's not a completed assignment. Capable is an adjective meaning able to do something. Incapable is the affixed word. It means not able to do something and not capable. The woman wove baskets. The woven baskets was full of holes and incapable of holding water. So it was not able to hold water. And lastly, we have active, which is an adjective, doing things that require physical movement or activity. Inactive would be the affixed word, not doing things that require physical activity or movement. It's not active. My legs start to hurt if I am inactive too long, if I'm not moving them for too long. All right, so lastly in this station, we are going to take a look at activity 6.4, or workbook page 69 and 70. So here we would like you to write the correct word to complete each sentence. So we just reviewed some of these words, and you're going to choose them to complete the 7 fill in the blanks. So the words are perfect, imperfect, convenient, inconvenient, active, inactive, polite, or impolite. Number 1, even though the cake I baked was uneven and looked blank, it tasted really good. Number 2, my gym teacher says we should exercise or be blank for at least 30 minutes every day. Number 3, the grocery store is right by our house, so it is very blank to stop on the way home. Number 4, it is considered blank and rude to whisper in front of someone. Number 5, my teacher's computer shut off because it was blank for so long. Number 6, I outgrew my old rain boots, but my new boots are the blank size. And number 7, the movie was not showing at the theater in our town, but my dad said that it was too blank to drive to another town to see. So you should have used 7 of those words. I really encourage you to take a moment to read each sentence with the word filled in to make sure it sounds correct. Now, number 8 on page 70 wants you to take that one word that was left out and write your own sentence for it. And then the challenge is to write a sentence using your own word with the prefix im or in. So you get to choose your own word, not one of these, but you can certainly go back to the chart in the previous part of the video and use one of those words if you would like.